Hello, welcome to this talk on test orchestration, integrating test automation into DevOps. First of all, hello, I'm Coty Rosenblath. I'm the CTO of Katalon. Katalon is a software company specializing in the development of tools for automated testing. You may know us from our Katalon Studio product, and we have a whole platform of testing tools to help you automate and orchestrate and optimize your testing. I won't be talking much about our products specifically today. We'll have some screenshots, but those are really just to illustrate abstract elements of my talk. So what is my talk going to be about? Well, it's going to be about how testing fits into DevOps. And specifically, we're going to talk just briefly about what is DevOps. I think we all have a good understanding, but I think it's good to ground that. Talk about where testing fits into DevOps, how it's important to DevOps. Talk about how test automation, just like so many automated elements of DevOps, is critical to success there. Then I'm going to introduce the notion of test orchestration as a layer on top of automation, coordinating automation that we believe is really needed in order to get the most from your test automation within your DevOps pipeline. And I'll talk a little bit about our Katalon TestOps product, but again, mostly in the context of how it addresses test orchestration and how features in TestOps align with test orchestration.